Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today as you can see I have some raw mangoes here. So I'm going to prepare raw mango chutney that will be little sweet and little spicy also. So the ingredients that we require to prepare this recipe are, here I have taken one big raw mango. The weight will be approximate 250 grams. I have taken out the seed and I have cut them into slices like this with the peel. 1 cup of sugar, approximate 200 grams of sugar. This is pachforan. Pachforan is a mixture of 5 spices, cumin seeds, brown mustard seeds, fenugreek seed, nigella seed and fennel seed. So it's a mixture of 5 different kinds of seeds. So that's why it is known as pachforan. So I'll be using this pachforan. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3 dried red chili. I'll be using oil and also water to prepare this recipe. So now let's get started. Now friends, I have heated 1 tablespoon of oil and the oil is heated, so I will add the pachforan. Now we will add these mango pieces. When it starts crackling and a lovely aroma of this pachforan will come out. We will saute this mango, raw mango. For 2 minutes over medium flame. Now friends, when you fry this mangoes, you will see when you're sorting it, the color of the skin has changed completely. It was dark green in color and now you will see it has changed its color. So this is the time we will add water. Add a cup of water, sugar, I have broken the dried red chilies into half. You can also add full, no problem. Mix it together. And now we are going to cover this and let it boil. We'll boil till the mangoes gets cooked. It becomes nice and soft. If required friends, we can add more water to it, but please keep in mind to add lukewarm water. So now let's let the mangoes boil. As we can see, it's started already boiling. So let's get it cooked now. So friends, now we will remove our lid. Yes, as you can see, the water has dried up. This is the correct consistency of this chutney and the mangoes are also cooked properly. See, very nicely it is cooked, soft. So we will put off the flame and now we will transfer this to the serving bowl. So friends, here is our yummy mango chutney ready. Very easy to prepare friends and very yummy. You can have it like this or you can have it with rotis, puris, This is a mandatory chutney that we prepare every summer season. So friends, I'm sharing the recipe today, so please do prepare this recipe and let me know how is it. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching, friends. See you soon.